Do her again. Put her back up. Fuck, that'd be harder than the car did. Hammer, Dave. You lost your grill, Dave. I'll grab one. Get the four-wheeler down.
The aftermath.
Ready. Ford to the rescue.
Well, that's some serious air. I like it. No. You still got some cattail. You know catalytic tail? Missed. Nice tail. There, he's going the right way. It didn't come off yet. Oh, that was the best. Oh, there was no one up there to film that. Too bad. And the car's still running. Hey, you lost your tail finally. That was good air. That was your best yet. Oh, that was serious.
That's what I'm working for.
You're famous.
Grand Prix is running pretty good, eh, Dave?
Yeah. It looks the same. It didn't get damaged. Now you gotta tell the world, I just got farmed at Davidsfarm.
I just got farmed at Davidsfarm.
Yeah, cool.
In the Grand Prix.
Yeah, and the gland P.